Mitsubishi Outlander 2013. We end up installing the Avital 3100. We're going to hit lock. It locks all the doors. Again, the LED light right there in the corner. Okay, disarm it. You're going to hit unlock. Unlocks all the doors. 2 chirp means the alarm is off and everything was okay. If you ever get 4 beeps when you turn it off, that means the alarm went off while you were away. Panic button. Hold the star down. You can fire the panic. Okay, this one doesn't have electric trunk, so you don't have to worry about that button too much because this car is not hooked up to an electric trunk. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window, like if I'm going to break it. That'll fire up. I'm going to go ahead and disarm it by hitting unlock. Okay, and of course, if somebody opens the door, the alarm will fire off, and and then the car won't start. See, the car doesn't crank up. If you turn off the alarm, the car cranks right up. It's got a hit button in the event that you lose the key fob or it gets wet or something happens to the remote control. There's a hit button that you got to turn the key in ignition. You press it and that will disable the alarm system. That's only in the event, that's called the override. That's only in the event that the remote controls don't work. That way you're not stranded out on the street without having the ability to stop the car. It comes with 2 remote controls. It's got lifetime warranty. This one's installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. That numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching.